the hanging man and a shooting star. So this is similar to the hammer and the inverted hammer, but now they are there to look for selling opportunities. Okay, so you look for the hanging man in the shooting star when you're looking for selling opportunities. Okay, so this is one example. Okay, this is a state where you have a long wick, and then a doji, a long wick and then a tiny body. Okay, so that is a shooting star, a long wick and then a tiny body, and this is normally found at the end of the trend. So this is not the strongest of the signals, because the market, you are normally going against the trend, but when you see it and then you add the volume right there, you find that the volume has increased down there. We'll cover that later. Okay, now that is a good signal that the market is going to drop. Okay, so that is the shooting star, and then we can have the hanging man. The hanging man will look like this, just like the hammer at the bottom, but now it's found at the top. Okay, but now the market is found right there at the top before the reversal happens. Okay, yeah, so let's find a bunch of them, and then without wasting time, I've already done it for you on a few, and then you go to the chart and then find others for or on yourself. Okay, yeah, so that is a shooting star right there. This is a hanging man and a shooting star, both of them occurring at the same time. The market is going up, but we are looking for forward to selling. Okay, then we form hanging man. Okay, long wick at the bottom and then a tiny body at the top, then a shooting star with long wick at the top and then a tiny body. In fact, you found both of them. So when you find both of them, it's okay. I think it's a little bit safer than when you find just one of them. Okay, so this is a perfect one right here, shooting star right there. Nice. So we go looking for a few others. And then next we are going on to my favorite candlestick pattern, which is the doji. Most people tell you to stay out of the doji, but I'll teach you exactly on how to use the doji. Okay, so the shooting star and the hanging man doesn't occur quite often, so that's why it's not really a strong signal. Okay, this is also a shooting star, sort of shooting star, engulfing, whatever you want to call it. Okay, if you can't find the name, but you can find the pattern, who cares? Just follow the momentum. They're just there to show you the momentum of the market, and then you roll with it. Okay, so we also have another one here. The market was pushing up. Okay, up, pull, to here, then shot up, breaking the previous high, and then dropped, breaking the previous low. So this was a change in trend. Okay, so looking for the next pullback, the drop. Okay, so then we found a shooting star here and a hammer, a hanging man as well, so signifying a nice selling opportunity right here. Maybe I should delete these ones here so that you can see clearly. Yeah, right there. So now you can see these are a shooting star and then a hanging man, boom, confirming the death note. So the market just drops. Okay, so this is another shooting star, tiny shooting star. That is, the market is going up from the shooting star, and then the market short towards back before forming another engulfing, and then looking for buying opportunities. So for me, this was also a nice buying zone down here. These are other topics that we'll cover later on, supply and demand and other stuff. Okay, so make sure you check the link in the description to join the free Telegram channel for my trades and lessons as well. Okay, yeah, so next up we are going to the doji, the fourth and my favorite candlestick pattern, and I will show you exactly why it's my favorite candlestick pattern. Okay, yeah, so stick around, smash that like button right now.